I recorded this YouTube short already and posted, and after a few days, the audio has been turned off, but YouTube hasn't told me why. So I'm just going to re-record it and post it. It's about a new plankton that's been found to be present across many oceans. Its name is Protocentrum CF Balticum. Doesn't necessarily mean only in the Baltic Sea, obviously, and it's a Mixotroph Dinoflagellate, classified as a dinoflagellate. So it does photosynthesis and can grow this mucosphere, which can trap prey, and obviously that makes it a heterotroph as well. So it then does phagotrophy, which is just absorbing nutrients in a different way than the usual heterotrophy. Phagotrophy is also heterotrophy, but anyway, then it discards the organic material and gets rid of the mucosphere. So the mucosphere sinks and exports carbon. A very different way of doing things, and whether it's exporting sufficient amounts of carbon is yet to be determined, but at least to the extent that it's been just found and it's a mixotroph, and also it can asexually reproduce by multiplying, but also sexually reproduce. So why has it developed these special characteristics in being a mixotroph and reproducing sexually and asexually is not clear. But obviously we don't know so much about the ecosystems, biology. We always say nature makes the rules and biology finds the loopholes. But whether this is a loophole that this dinoflagellate is exploiting, or it's just evolved accidentally to be this way, and what does it mean in terms of its response to ocean warming, etc., and how does it interact with other species in terms of competing for resources and so on, are not very well known. But anyway, it's interesting enough, and I'm putting in this carbon capture and sequestration list of podcasts, obviously because it's a new finding in terms of export in the oceans that we didn't know about before. And it's interesting enough, again, that it's a natural sink of carbon. We just have to figure out how important it is in its magnitude of exporting carbon. So I'm going to post it again and see if YouTube mutes it again, and maybe it'll tell me why it's muting this podcast. Okay.